Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to avoid banking fees using Nerdwallet's comparisons. Are you tired of monthly fees draining your balance? Well, you're not alone. Banking fees can add up fast, but Nerdwallets can help you to avoid them. And here's how you can do that. So let's get started. First step, go to Nerdwallet's banking section. So first head over to the banking category on Nerdwallet's website. You're going to find options for checking, savings, CDs, and more. Next, you're going to use the filter. So apply filters for no monthly fees or no minimum balance, or you can apply for no overdraft fees. These help you to narrow down accounts that won't charge you unnecessary costs. Next, compare bank offers. NerdWallet's comparison chart shows annual fees, ATM access, interest rates, and special perks. Read the fine prints to understand what triggers fees, like dipping below a balance threshold or using out of network ATMs. Step 4. Read expert reviews. Each account listed comes with a review written by a NerdWallet finance editor. These highlights pros, cons, and ideal user types. Lastly, apply online through Nerdwallet. Once you find a bank that fits your fee-free needs, you can often apply directly through the Nerdwallet platform. Banking fees aren't inevitable. With the right accounts and the right tools, you can keep your money where it belongs, in your pocket. Let Nerdwallet help you to cut costs one fee at a time. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.